In this video, we'll take a closer look at an essential item for any angler or hiker, a foldable portable mat or seat. Think it's just a piece of foam? No, it's your comfort on any fishing trip. A foldable accordion-style mat. It weighs next to nothing and takes up almost no space in your backpack. Regular sleeping pads are bulky, and sitting on the cold ground is a surefire way to end up at the doctor's. And by the way, guys, you often ask how I can sit in one spot for 5 to 6 hours without getting cold. The secret is simple, and it's literally this is a foldable accordion rod. I used to lug around huge foam rods that were always getting caught in the bushes. But this little guy weighs just 40 grams, folds up into a small brick-shaped package, and fits even in the side pocket of a backpack. Fishing is a thrill, not a struggle for survival. Enough of sitting on buckets and cold boxes. Fishing means hours of sitting still. Sitting on a cold box, a damp log, or, God forbid, on the ice is a surefire way to catch a cold, hurt your back, or develop men's health issues. Fishing should be fun, not a reason for sick leave. This mat blocks out the cold as if you were sitting on your living room couch. A standard roll-up mat is a huge tube that gets caught on branches, won't fit in your backpack, and always unrolls at the worst possible moment. Forget about those bazookas on your back. The foldable mat is 4 times more compact than a roll. Tuck it into the side pocket of your backpack and forget about it until you reach the shore. Many cheap mats absorb water. Sit on the dew, 5 minutes later your pants are soaked through. XPE material doesn't absorb a single drop. You could even put it in a puddle, just shake it off, and it's dry again. Your pants will stay dry until the end of your fishing trip. When you need to bait a hook, fix your tackle, or land a fish in the landing net, you often have to get down on your knees on rocks or frozen ground. This is torture. Your joints aren't made of steel. Unroll the mat and you'll have a soft cushion under your knees. Working with your tackle will become much more comfortable. In the cold, your fingers won't cooperate, but you need to roll up the mat and pull tight elastic bands over it. No elastic bands and no struggle with the material. It folds up in 2 seconds with one hand, even in thick gloves. The accordion is the fastest format.